Imagine you're deep in the wilderness, miles from civilization, or maybe just unwinding in your backyard, craving the simplicity and serenity only nature can provide. Yet there's a common thread in these scenarios, the desire to maintain the comforts of cleanliness and convenience, no matter where you are. Today we're diving into a collection of game-changing outdoor gear designed to elevate your camping, hiking, and even backyard experiences to levels of comfort and convenience you never thought possible. From groundbreaking portable showers that conserve water without compromising cleanliness, to innovative ice packs that keep your provisions frosty for days, we're covering it all. So, if you've ever thought about making the great outdoors a little more comfortable, or if you're looking for the perfect gift for the adventurer in your life, stick around. This video unveils products that could transform your outdoor experiences forever. The Geyser System Portable Shower and Cleaning Kit is perfect for camping and outdoor activities. It's designed to use significantly less water than traditional camping showers, allowing you to save water while staying clean. You can adjust the water pressure to conserve water or get a high-pressure spray for tough cleaning jobs. It comes with a dual-sided scrub sponge for dishes and gentle cleaning. The built-in heater prepares warm showers within 15 to 45 minutes using only 0.8 gallons of water, or mix hot and cold water for a quick setup. Operating on a 12-volt battery, this system is efficient and versatile, making it ideal for washing dishes and gear or taking comfortable showers outdoors. It includes all necessary components, such as a yellow scrub sponge, a 5-foot hose, and a power cable for easy setup. Adding to the ease of maintaining cleanliness, Cooler Shop. Reusable ice packs are a boon for any cooler, keeping food and drinks exceptionally cold and fresh. They're convenient and simple to use. Just add water once using the provided funnel, shake, close the cap, and freeze until you need them. Made robust and resilient, these packs are nylon reinforced, ensuring a smooth transition from freezer to lunch bag or cooler. Ideal for workplace, school, or outdoor adventures, their compact design fits small coolers and lunch bags. If you have outdoorsy friends or family, these ice packs make for a thoughtful gift, ensuring they're well prepared for any off-grid getaway. To complement your outdoor setup, the Alpha Camp camping table brings portability and convenience to the forefront with adjustable heights and ample storage. It features two height settings, 29.52 inches and 37.40 inches, ensuring it can be comfortably used whether you're at the beach, in your backyard, or camping. The table includes a large storage mesh basket underneath, which is great for keeping snacks, beverages, or small cooking tools. This table is made of aluminum, known for being waterproof, rust-resistant, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean. Setting up and packing this table is a breeze, and it comes with its own carry bag for convenient transportation. When folded, it's compact and easy to store. This table can comfortably accommodate 6 people, making it perfect for picnics, barbecues, parties, or indoor use. When it's time to unwind, the portable hammock with stand offers a unique, effortless setup, embracing the essence of comfort and versatility in design. It's a compact, easy-to-assemble hammock that doesn't require ropes or trees. The design is not only safer, but also more convenient than traditional hammocks. You can easily set it up in less than a minute, perfect for various settings like the pool, patio, backyard, or sleepovers. This hammock can be used as a hammock chair to sit and relax or as a hammock bed for a nap. It's packed with useful features, including a mosquito net, rain tarp for shelter, sunshade for UV protection, large storage pockets, quilts for warmth, and a padded headrest for comfort. Available with a satisfaction guarantee, it offers a stylish way to enjoy your self-isolation times, indoors or outdoors. For those who favor traditional relaxation with a twist, the large camping hammock is a blend of practicality and pleasure, equipped with features for uninterrupted serenity. It is easy to set up with strong tree straps and carabiner clips. The parachute-themed hammock is made from durable and soft 70D nylon material, comfortably holding up to 2 adults of average weight. It features 2 shades on each side to protect you from the sun or moonlight, ensuring a good night's sleep. Adding to its functionality, it includes an inner pocket for small belongings. What sets it apart is a built-in mosquito net that keeps bugs and other insects at bay. Thus, it's great for camping, hiking, backpacking, and more. An added convenience is the easy conversion to a traditional hammock by unzipping the mosquito net and storing it in the pocket. Nestled in the midst of these outdoor essentials, the T-Hex Hub Tent Overland Edition by Gazelle Tent's trademark emerges as a sanctuary, marrying rapid assembly with commodious lodging. This hexagonal tent is spacious enough to sleep 7 people comfortably and comes packed with features for a seamless camping experience. The tent has 15 large windows providing panoramic views of your natural surroundings while keeping the interior well ventilated. Thanks to the innovative Tri-Tech mesh, you can enjoy increased airflow and durability without worrying about small bugs getting in. The tent includes a removable floor for easy cleaning, a waterproof and UV 50+ rated cover for protection against the elements, and a 300 denier Oxford weave polyester footprint for extra durability. For adventures in varied terrains, upgraded all-terrain stakes and reflective guy lines are included. Packing up is a breeze with the oversized water-resistant duffel bag, making the T-Hex Hub Tent Overland Edition the perfect companion for your next overland or car camping trip. Rounding off this suite of outdoor gear is the resilient Leatherman X-Large Nylon Sheath, encapsulating robust protection for your multi-tool and its companions, ensuring readiness for any scenario. It's crafted from hard-wearing nylon and features strong stitching to withstand tough conditions, whether you're at work, braving the outdoors, or doing do-it-yourself projects at home. This sheath has 3 elastic pockets, plus a spacious main compartment, perfect for storing not just your multi-tool, but also bit extenders, extra bits, and more, ensuring you're always prepared for any task. It comes with a snap webbing strap that fits all attachment systems designed for the military, but is versatile enough for everyday use. The sheath includes a secure hook and loop closure to keep your tool protected from scratches and falls, making sure it's ready whenever you need it. With its robust construction and accessibility, your Leatherman multi-tool will be protected and ready for action at all times. And there you have it, folks. From predictive cooling solutions that define futuristic comfort to versatile tools ensuring a safe and fun outdoor experience. Each product we've explored today promises to redefine your relationship with comfort, convenience, and adventure. Whether you're nestled in the comfort of your home or charting a path in the untamed wilderness, we've shown you revolutionary products that are game changers, ready to elevate each moment of your journey. So step out, step up, and make every experience extraordinary. Remember, the world is your oyster, and with the right equipment, there's nothing you can't conquer. Until next time, keep exploring.